Hey everyone, so this will be a quick speaker sound test here between the Amazon Fire HD8 and I have the HD8 Plus here. There should be no difference between those speakers though. And then the 7. So HD8 Plus versus the 7 here. So the HD8 and HD8 Plus have 2 speakers on the top, whereas the 7 only gets 1 speaker right here. So we are on the same royalty-free music on YouTube. This one's at 8 seconds, this one's at 9 seconds. Start off here with the HD8 Plus. Volume is up all the way.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel,
there's that. Now we'll go with the 7, the Fire 7. Make sure the volume is up all the way, as you can see there. Sorry about the fingerprints. Alright, we'll do one more song here. Now we have the, well, this is at 401, that we have 4. And one more time. So both of them actually do sound pretty decent. Again, these are both small tablets. Of course, the 7 is smaller than the 8. 7 inches, 8 inches, as the name implies, on both of these. Again, for the size of these tablets, they're not bad. Actually, they sound pretty good. Of course, the 8 sounds a bit better than the 7 just because it has dual speakers. I almost want to say this is actually a little bit louder, though. It almost sounds like a little bit louder. Loudness is actually pretty close. I actually, it's a little bit louder now that I have them both going at the same time there. But again, both these do sound pretty decent. 8 sounds a bit louder and it sounds a little bit better because of those dual speakers. And usually bigger tablets usually have a little bit bigger speakers in them as well. Yeah, you guys let me know what you think. My mic's not the best for these types of tests, just so y'all know. They do sound better than what you'll hear through the video. So keep that in mind as well. I would say you will not be disappointed really in either of these. And if you really need louder or better sound, you can put in a either Bluetooth headphones, or you can plug in headphones through the headphone jacks on both of these tablets. Let me know what you guys think. As always, I appreciate y'all. Hope y'all have a good one. See you guys next time. Goodbye.